Happy birthday, Raya! We miss you so much.
Can't wait to see you in Japan.
Happy birthday, Raya! I hope your special day is filled with love, happiness, full of surprises, and I wish you good health, success, and wonderful memories and everything that you desire. So, happy birthday! I love you. Bye. Bye.
Happy birthday, Raya. Bisous. Hello, Raya. Happy birthday.
Hello, Motakeo. Happy birthday, Motakeo. Oh, Raya, sorry. Happy birthday, Raya. Kiss from France.
Aloha, Raya. Uncle Chet here and
Auntie Sammy.
sending you aloha and warm aloha from Hawaii. We wish you a very happy birthday. God bless you and good luck.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Hello, Raya! Happy birthday! Greetings from Singapore. And my wish for you is for you to have good health, more happiness, success for this new year of your life, and of course, for all your dreams come true, because you just deserve the best. I just want to let you know also that I'm very grateful for having you as part of our family and for being, of course, my firstborn's girlfriend and for being there for my son during my absence. I really appreciate you and know that I'm also here for you. And you know, even though we don't see each other, know that I really appreciate you and I love you as my daughter na. And hope to see you soon, and hope you continue to be as you are and for being such a wonderful person and having that genuine heart. I love you. Mwah. And we love you. Mwah.
Hi, bitch! Happy birthday! I wish you all the best in life, lalo na yung happiness. Sobrang deserve mo yan. Napakabuti ng heart mo. Deserve mo lahat ng happiness sa mundo. Magkaiyakan pa tayo dito. Anyways, you know the rest. Alam mo, love na love kita. Happy birthday ulit. Enjoy your day. And see you soon. Bye-bye. Love you.
Happy birthday, babe. I hope you're doing well. I hope you're enjoying your day as well. Ingat ka palagi and God bless. Always know na lagi nandito lang naman ako. If you need a friend, a best friend, syempre, mag-message ka lang and lagi naman tayo nagka-catch up. And I hope to see you very soon. I miss you. I love you. Mwah.
Happy birthday, Raya. I love you so much. You're one of my favorite people ever, and I can't wait to spend Japan with you and do all the fun things. I love you, and I hope you have the best birthday ever. Okay? Love you.
Happy birthday, Raya. I hope you're having a lovely day, and I hope that you're gonna get your new nose and you're gonna look so fabulous and beautiful and everything.
Hi, Raya! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, girl.
Girl.
Pero, you've got one of the most beautiful smile I've seen. Continue being beautiful. I wish you continued success. Wherever you are, you always have a home here. We're very much looking forward to seeing you again this year.
Yes,
Go,
and
baby.
we're so proud of all your achievements, yeah, and the kind of person that you are now. Know that your family is always here for you, and we love you. That's it. Bye. See you soon.
Happy birthday! You are a sweet, kind, and generous person, and I wish you all the best the world has to offer, and may your dreams come true and every desires of your heart. I love you. Remember that I am your guardian during your college days. Ako ang nagpipirma ng card mo at nag-enroll sa'yo. I love you and happy birthday.
Hi, Ate Rai. Happy birthday. kilala mo pa ako, Tita Nix. Of course. Well, Raya. Ate Rai, isa sa mga pinakamabait na taong nakilala ko. Hindi man siya pala kibo. Tumatawa lang yan. Pero appreciative, God-fearing, love na love niya si tita. And love na love niya si Nico. Thank you so much. Dahil naging at magiging kay part ka ng family namin. Sobrang welcome. And thank you rin. Pinakilala mo sa amin si Tita Tish. Pareho kayo na napakabait. Wala kaming masabi. Wala akong masabi. Well, happy birthday. Have a blast. Thank you so much sa'yo. And uwi ka na agad. Namimiss ka na namin. Ano pala yung request mo? Pag umuwi ka, lulutuin ko. I miss you, ate. I love you. Happy birthday ulit. Mwah. Happy birthday, Raya. I miss you and always good health and work hard. Yun, alam mo, araw-araw pinagdadasal kita at sana maging okay ka sa iyong work at ngayong birthday mo, sana maging masaya ka sa buong buhay mo at ikaw lang lagi ang magmula malit ka hanggang elementary ka, hanggang nag-achievers ka, hanggang high school ka ng Holy Family. Ako'y laging nandyan sa iyo. Sana pagdating ng araw na pamilya ka, sana maging maganda ang buhay mo. I love you and I miss you. See you on December.
Happy birthday, Ate Rai. Hope you have a good day today. I love you. See you soon.
Hi, Raya. I just wanted to greet you today. A happy birthday. And I wish you good health, more blessings to you and your family. I miss you and I'll see you soon.
Aya! Happy 25th birthday! Tuwa na kaya? Joke mo. Happy birthday again. I love you, Raya. Ang pangunakan kong malago. Maganda ka at very sweet kaya kami man. Bye! Yeah.
Hi Raya, happy birthday. So today is your special day. I wish you have a good life filled with good health, countless reason as well to smile, and may your dreams come true, and may you as well surround with people who really appreciate and love you. So Raya, today is your special day. Enjoy the rest of your day and the year ahead as well. Happy birthday, Raya.
Raya, God bless. More birthdays to come. See you soon.
Happy birthday, Raya. More birthday to come. Ingat sa work. And I miss you. See you soon.
Ivy, happy birthday. Alam mo naman na awkward ako sa mga video greetings like this one. Pero, always remember na I'm always thinking of you and alam mo naman na I love you very, very much. Sana ma-enjoy mo yung birthday mo today or na-enjoy. Depending kung kailan sinanto. And I love you so much. Okay, happy birthday. Love you. See you soon.